welcome to another vlog series. 2 vlog series in 1 year, sugar. Who do you think you are? Vlogger. Vlogger. We are... Where are we?
Hilton.
We're at the Hilton in Gatwick Airport.
Yeah, you couldn't say it then,
And yeah, we'll show you the room. There's Nathan.
Hello.
This is the room. The room, the bathroom. I like the shower. The wardrobe, it's got all room things. I'm really impressed with the size of the TV. The bed. But yeah, for this series, I'm going to try and do a little bit better than the last series because there was nothing on travel day, and you ended up with just a Stella Nova room tour. But I'm sure you loved it.
I'm sure they did.
I'm sure you did.
All 7 viewers.
So we're flying from Gatwick, obviously. Imagine
I thought we were flying from Heathrow.
Imagine if it's actually Heathrow and I've messed it up. Flying from Gatwick to Orlando tomorrow with British Airways, and then we're staying at the Polynesian for the first time, which we're super excited about. So we've been wanting to stay at the Poly for a while. Then we are... You know what? I'm not going to give it all away. We're going on the Wish. We're going on the Wish on Monday and doing all Wish things. Then we get off on Friday and we go to Old Key West, and then we're doing all the Christmas parties like Jollywood, very merry. Obviously we're going to Epic. Stick around, it'll be fun. It'll be epic.
Die.
Look at this bitch. Do it again. You look into the mirror and you do that again so everyone can see.
Do what?
Exactly what you just did.
What did I do?
You looked in the mirror, looked me dead in the eye, and you went, die.
You being cringe. You should die a cringe death.
You're one of those hateful guys.
Got things to do with being gay. I'm just more than hateful.
He became such a bitch when he got skinny. Look at me actually continuing to the vlog and actually remembering to vlog things. Room was really nice. The bed was kind of comfy, but I thought the room was freezing, but we also didn't put the heating on, so you know. It is 8:25. Our flight's 11:20, so we've got some time. You can probably see if there's a lounge free. Not as in free, as in like last time when we flew in September, we went to ask the lounge and they were like, yeah, there's no capacity whatsoever. I was like, okay. So we ended up wearing some weathersuits, as you would have saw. But yeah, hopefully potentially going to a lounge. Then if there's no lounge, we'll just probably rock up to Weatherspoons again. But yeah. We probably won't vlog now until we're the other side of security, just because bag check and security check are all stressful. And I don't think you can actually record there anyway, but we'll show you around Gatwick Airport. Now,
We've been to the lounge.
we went to the lounge. I didn't mean to vlog it, but it was tiny and it was round. It was self-serve alcohol and there was a smoking area, so if you want to go to my lounge in Gatwick South, it was... What do you mean?
Isn't it back round at time?
Oh yeah, don't go there, it's crap. Food was okay. Nathan liked the pancakes and I had the Greek yogurt, so...
Blister.
And Nathan's got a blister. But we're going to our gate.
And it's just cost me £8 something in fucking boots.
What, to fix your blister?
It's not even to fix my blister, it's in case my blister comes off.
Yeah.
No, my luck. My blister will come off, I'll get an infection and I'll have to lose my finger. And then your mark won't love me anymore because I'll be an amputee.
Because you haven't got a finger?
Because I something really dirty.
Did I vlog anything? No. Was it a stressful last day? Yes. To the point where we're thinking of not flying with BA anymore because we just can't be arsed with all the dramatics. We've got priority thingies on our cases, and Nathan was literally the last case to come out. Which can't be asked. We're waiting for a taxi now anyway. Someone's beeping. Thoughts, prayers? Prayers. Sorrows. Prayers. But.
Wi-Fi hookup price.
Oh yeah, go on.
Cost me 34 quid. Which you don't have to wait 7 to 10 working days for them to even look at the complaint.
To refund it.
Give me the refund.
Yeah, they're gonna have like literally everyone on our flight.
Yeah, because it was when I went and spoke to the air steward, there was 2 people behind me saying the same thing. They'd been kicked off it twice and they'd charged
Paid for it twice. It's gross. I'm pretty certain they do it on purpose. But yes, we're waiting for the lift and we're going to the Poly and then probably get food and die because it's 6:30. Oh, and that flight was an hour delayed because they had to reset the plane. And then when we landed, the guy was like, I didn't even think we were going to be able to take you here today. Yeah, you were on the phone. So, love that. We're here. Jet lagged as well. We're here. And this is DVC room. There's 2 bathrooms. This one. Then there's the shower room. Because the shower room's massive. Then.
So it's just. So you just pull it out.
Up here.
Because I've got a car.
Good morrow. Oh, yeah. Good morning. Hello. Come in the party.
Hello.
Hello, Toast. We managed to snag a last minute. Well, I said the last minute's in 2 hours. Reservation for Ohana.
It's an hour and 30 minutes.
It's an hour. It's basically tomorrow. We went to Bell Services to check out what we do with all our crap when we get on the cruise. And I bought a pin, but now our room looks like a bomb's hit it. Cause, oh yeah, we all opened our presents last night because it's Christmas. Hi, Mark.
Oh,
Hi, Nathan.
hello. Everyone in PJs I got Mark because they're cute.
Where are they? The Gengar. Ooh, PJ.
They're soft as well.
They are soft. But I was like dead.
Are you snoring?
Was I?
Yeah.
You two were snoring at like 6 a.m. this morning.
Yeah, because it was 6 a.m. So annoyed. And I can't believe I had a bit late. We went to bed last night.
Yeah, I was like wide awake and then like I lay down and I was like,
Same. I was wide awake.
I was like, might go for a walk.
I snuggled into Mark and the next thing I know,
Dead.
it was like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Then your breathing slowly changed.
Yeah.
I was like, he's asleep.
But mine, yeah.
I got up for my customary 2 Ps in the night. But sun's slowly coming out and now I'm just gonna kill some. I bought a pin.
And you forgot your pins to trade.
Don't, I'm really annoyed. I forgot my pins, forgot my wand. Who is she? An idiot, that's who she is.
The thing is, I don't know why you just don't keep them in the case. It's not like you use them when we're at home.
No, I get them out because like then I have to filter out the ones that I've traded.
Then you just keep a separate bag for the ones that you want to keep, and then keep the others in the bag. For someone very intelligent, you are very stupid sometimes.
The Bell Services that if you're going to a Disney cruise and you are coming back to a Disney hotel, they will take the cases and transfer them to the new hotel, so we don't have to take our big cases with us. So we've packed little cases to take on the cruise ship. And then obviously we're taking all that out because we travel with like basically an Apple store.
Oh, yeah.
Probably shouldn't advertise that because someone try and rob us, but I will whop her.
You only have like 10 followers, Greg.
10 followers, Rachel said they were trying to rob all that stuff. She's like, I don't want you cheap crap.
Celebration!
We're in Ohana.
There they go. And we're gonna wait right here.
Yep.
Are these your cats? Oh, that's sick. We're gonna go right this way.
Food's arrived. Mark was gonna take it before I vlogged it. He was like, screw your vlog.
Oh, you guys are there?
That means hello, friends, and welcome to Ohana. In just a few minutes.
My turn. We've got a confrontation. Since we got a confrontation. They're all bunched together. Fight. Hi, Stitch. I got a picture. Oh God.
Thanks, Stitch.
It's Pluto!
What's this? Oh, hello.
We come to Disney Springs, get some margaritas and some pins, and to see some friends. Springs is busy.
What?
Springs is busy.
Yeah.
I was promised a margarita.
It's too busy. I spent Mondays. You promised the margarita to yourself.
Oh, this hat is for Nathan, which will show you properly, and that's a Christmas present. By the time it comes out, Christmas will be over, so. Christmas is dead.
I already opened the gift, so Christmas
Yeah,
is over.
Christmas is over for us.
Come and gone.
No, we're going on a very Merry Christmas time cruise.
Oh. It's Mark's birthday. We are.
It's still Christmas, it's Christmas birthday. It's not about you, it's about Jesus. Well, our tickets to go see Five Nights at Freddy's 2, and while we wait, we come to Splitsville! Yay! Yesterday's vlog ended fairly abruptly, because we went to the cinema, we saw Jess and the new baby. Jess is a baby, and there was just a torrential rain when we came out of the cinema, so we pretty much ran to the buses and came home. We all pretty much went to sleep straight away because we were all exhausted. Today we are going to Whispering Canyon for breakfast, then potentially going to Universal, and I'm going to see how everyone feels. We'll go there for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back because we need to pack. We've mostly packed our carry-on cases to take onto the cruise, and then we can take our big cases down to Bell Services, which they'll transfer them to Old Key West for us when we get off the cruise. But we just want to make sure that we've got everything that we need sorted. And we're getting picked up at like 9:15, I think, or 9:45 tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Waiting for the Uber. Antisocial they are.
H got eliminated from on this level.
Why? Hasn't voted out?
Yeah.
Spoilers.
I think Tom's gonna win.
I think Tom's
I'd be really shocked if he doesn't win. I've called my last couple of winners, so I'd be really shocked if he doesn't win.
Yeah. My phone's vibrating, so Uber's here. Yeah. I should have the tree. Yeah. Whispering Canyon. Nathan's trying to embarrass me with my stupid facts.
I looked at this and was like, oh, how lucky is it they found a hot spring in the hotel room? Not that this all used to be swampland. Yeah, and it's like...
And it's not hot. Ask about our open house. I'd love to stay here. But so far away from everything. Our table's ready.
Hello.
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 Alright. I think we're all going for the carnival. Are you going for carnival?
I think so.
We all blacked out and just started taking the food. We had the carnival. We'll order another one in a minute, so you can see what we actually get. This one's a little bit more like still there.
What was it again?
I was saying that, so this one's a little bit still more there. There's potatoes, brisket. Sorry, Mark. Pulled pork's good. This brisket looks a bit fatty, but ribs, biggest ribs I've ever seen.
Mark, do you want to do first?
I don't know.
Have you done King Craft thing yet?
We are at Universal. The waterway's ending. Universal. So, I don't know if we mentioned this last time. Nathan has ADHD, so he gets the access pass here. Not at Disney, because they're assholes. But yeah. So we're gonna go on the Mummy. We're gonna have a look in the store. Nathan's just going to get his fixed. Look at the Grinch. I'd like to meet the Grinch. Because I'll scream. I'll literally scream. 10. Grinches. Tell Mark that you called us thing 1 and 2.
Yeah.
It's wicked.
good to see you.
Ballroom. Oh wow. Look how tiny she is. It's the wand. When I meet you with me.
Oh, what I said wasn't funny.
We're going on the Mummy. Obviously you can't record on the rides, so luck as it is. Now we're going to Green Guts. Probably get some butterbeer.
You want a butterbeer?
Yeah.
It's not normal to sweat when you live at a crack.
No.
I like this photo.
I like that boulder. Oh, this is where all the people are. We're back in London. Oh no, we missed the train! Christmas Eve! We just got that train. Say again.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to the bus and said, pick me up in the morning. Because he died. Because he's dead.
Dead, like your dreams.
Get out.
We came in silk shelter? Seek shelter.
Don't lie, you came to buy fries.
We came to buy fries, play Pokemon.